First thing I did when COVID-19 happened was revisit my portfolio. I focused on my hedge, the asset that I know will store the value of my money. I know early that the economy was going to tank big time. I don't know how long it was going to take or how bad, but I knew it was going to tank. So I took some of my risky investments and converted them to my hedge, which is typically gold. What it did was give me peace of mind. I knew I had the minimum amount of fund that will cover me and my family regardless of what happened to the other investments. Here are other steps that I took to make sure that not only survive the COVID-19 pandemic, but also its aftershock. I make sure I have enough cushion for several months of payments on loans. You know by now that everyone has debts. The more business ventures that have them, the deeper that person is in debt, and I'm no different. This pandemic taught me, however, that having a sound, safe, and flexible cash flow is not enough. I need to have enough cushion so in case the economic distress gets worse, I won't ever have to default on my loans. I also invested more. There were a lot of uncertainties in the beginning of the pandemic, but I knew one thing for sure. Inflation was going to be at its worst. That meant regardless of the amount of cash I had, I was going to lose. The only way for me to survive is to invest and outpace inflation with my gains. Easier said than done, of course, but I knew that not taking a risk was just going to result in a certainty of loss. Investing would at least give me a fighting chance. Number 3, I blocked myself from the noise of the media and social media. As soon as everything went on lockdown, investment and financial experts started to chatter. There were predictions of a collapse here, predictions of an asset going on a bull run, predictions of this and that. I know one thing, COVID-19 has never happened before. Anyone presenting any kind of data to support their predictions are just making it up. They don't know what's going to happen. I stuck to my basics, and that was diversifying. Sure, I adjusted some investments, but I was just as diversified as before, if not more. I suggest you do the same. Get the guidance of a financial advisor, do some extensive research, revisit your portfolio, start investing, and make yourself future-proof. And if you're ever interested in investing in gold, we can help you. We have US-based associates that can answer your questions when it comes to gold and silver investments. Give us a call, 877-646-5347, or check out our website at noblegoldinvestments.com.
If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open, and we're happy to answer any of your questions.